Hi, I'm Sophie and I'm a service advisor at Motor Werke. With me and my partner, our journey to Canada started a year and a half ago. We typed into Google which is the best place to live in Canada, and Kelowna came #1 on the list. And we're currently in the process of getting our permanent residency. Me and Callum, we have a dog. His name's Loki, and we actually rescued him around 4 months ago. We like taking him for hikes. He's come paddleboarding with us, kayaking on the lake. We're pretty active people, and the Okanagan is perfect for our lifestyle. I come from Bristol in the UK. The automotive business actually runs in the family. My dad actually is a mechanic in a little town called Nelsey, and he has had the shop for probably over 40 years now. He does keep trying to get me back and saying that I can now run his business when he retires. With my job as a service advisor, there's actually multiple roles. There is customer interaction and also interaction with the technicians, just to make sure the day runs smoothly, all the customers leave happy. So it's a big step for me to leave my family in the UK, but really special that I'm part of the Motor Werke family. I feel like I'm right at home, coming to work every day,